Lyieka Smith.
Leland Smith. Well, I guess dealing with Family Dollar, at first we had hope because it's a big company and one of their models is to serve the community.
We had a wired fence and it was very large trees in the backyard. I guess they've grown forever. They were cutting through the wired fence and actually tilting the concrete. And so we were trying to work with them to see if we can work something out because the trees is actually on their property. So it was a big issue with the property line.
So we wasn't gonna let them dictate how, our backyard looked pretty much. So we just took it on the project ourselves.
The backyard feel now is lovely. So everything I do, I always want that family feeling in the backyard. So you always will see our name somewhere, something representing our household. But it's a great feel. Like honestly, it's a peace of mind back there, and it feels homely. That's we aim for everything to feel homely from the inside to out, and it represents us.